Toptal is an online talent marketplace that connects companies with the best freelance software developers, designers, consultants from around the world. The company helps entrepreneurs build better businesses by providing them with fully weighted software developers, designers, and consultants best suited to their business. So, how does Toptal make money? What is the business model of Toptal? This article give you a detailed insight on the same. Toptal started in 2010 and is a private company that has been profitable since its inception. The only funding was 1.5 million dollars in seed capital. Investors include Andreessen Horowitz. Toptal is a global network of top professionals in software engineering, design, and finance. Toptal places the professionals it hires with clients to work on freelance projects. Toptal brings together the top 3% of developers with companies around the globe. They are able to provide business owners with a wealth of talent to meet their most pressing development needs. In July 2021, estimates are that Toptal has more than 4,200 active professionals working on projects through its system. Toptal currently works with over 700 companies in 17 countries, including some of the biggest names in tech such as Samsung, PayPal, eBay and Zendesk. How does Toptal make money? Using Toptal, freelancers companies can tap into the expertise of top tech talent around the world. At the same time, freelancers find high quality jobs and expert guidance from Toptal's award winning team. Toptal handles the marketing and sales costs to secure the freelance projects. It claims to be the largest distributed professional workforce in the world. The company does not have a physical headquarters or rent any office space. Toptal invoices a client directly for the hourly work done on the freelance project. The company deducts its commission and pays the freelancer in the Toptal system a much lower predetermined rate that is about half of what Toptal collects. Freelancers set their hourly rate based on Toptal's recommendations in alignment with their expertise and location. Toptal can match an available freelancer with a project in about 24 hours. Here is a table showing the estimated annual revenues since inception. 2010 $1 million, 2011 $10 million, 2012 $20 million, 2013 $40 million, 2014 $60 million, 2015 $80 million, 2016 $100 million, 2017 $120 million, 2018 $140 million, 2019 $160 million, 2020 $200 plus million. The company self-reported that it is currently experiencing a year-over-year growth rate of 40% in 2021. Toptal business model challenges. Toptal has a unique model where it accepts only clients who meet strict quality standards and guarantees. that the best engineers will be placed at the client. This approach is resonating with both clients and job candidates as Toptal keeps growing by double digits each year. The two sided marketplace mainly uses manual matching processes which are not as scalable as fully automated matching processes. While the online staffing market is growing fast, the competition is getting even fiercer. The large enterprise market, which cares more about talent and technology, presents a challenge to small scale but heavily curated platforms like Toptal. Toptal's competitors. Toptal is effectively addressing the rising talent demand, but it is facing challenges from the competition. There are many online marketplaces. there are many online marketplaces. There are many online marketplaces for freelancers that are general competitors of Toptal. Toptal focuses on software engineers and other professionals that it claims are in the top 3% of their field. Direct competitors for Toptal include Andela, MBO Partners, OC Tanner, Terminal, and Transforify. There are also many other marketplaces for freelancers that are competitors of Toptal. Andela Toptal sued Andela in June 2021 for allegedly cloning the Toptal freelance marketplace with the help of Toptal ex employees. Business Talent Group on demand business talent for project Cloud Devs specializes in helping businesses and developers collaborate. Contently specializes in freelance content creators. CrowdSpring specializes in industrial designers, graphic designers, and content creators. Dribble Hiring specializes in freelance designers. Invato Studio specializes in designers, developers, and other digital talent. Fiverr, general freelance marketplace, flexible system for freelance software developers. Freelancer.com, general freelance marketplace. Gun.io specializes in software engineers. Guru.com general freelance marketplace. Toptal started by offering the services of software developers and software engineers. Glassdoor reports that a software engineer makes $62 to $66 per hour working for Toptal. The average annual salary for a Toptal software developer is $110. The US Bureau of Labor Statistics reports that the median pay for an American software engineer in 2020 was $110. This is in alignment with the average pay earned by a software engineer working for Toptal. A senior level application software developer in India with at least 10 years of experience earns rupees a year, which is about 18 Toptal makes a rate adjustment